Yo, what's going on, guys? So, not much to say today. Just a huge update compared to yesterday, where yesterday we did not get this daily prop block, right? We had closed down here below these two down candles, but look where today closed. So now we have daily prop blocks here. We could see a move down all the way down to the opens of these these order blocks, maybe even down to 50% of the wicks. However, tomorrow is a different occasion, right? CPI and FOMC could absolutely smash through this. We could come down and wick down inside the weekly order block again and get a little deeper dig. Just something to be aware of. Just because you notice how like tired the market kind of seemed up there today. For any downside targets tomorrow, I mean, I feel like I'm bearish. I'm just starting off like all the downside targets tonight, but I'm really not. I'm just very 50-50 going into tomorrow. I For right now, what I see is I see these nice hourly lows here, this nice LRLR here on the hourly, as well as relative equal lows here on the hourly with a daily equal low with a daily low down here, right? So this will be a nice target if we get bearish, right? But to get here, we have to slice through. We should have a 4 hour fair value gap now. Yeah, we do. So you see, we got a 4 hour FEG here. So this will be everything. Um, this will be what to watch for tomorrow. CPI blast through this. Look for us to take this low. And who knows? We blast through here. CPI takes all these lows, and then FOMC shoots us right back up. And guess what? Maybe we just have a flat day tomorrow. Who knows? Like I said, it's CPI FOMC, so I'm not putting I'm not gonna putting any like predictions out there because you're just guessing where data is going to end up taking us for liquidity. We could end up pumping up even more. We get like a big move up. We'll pretend this is candlesticks, and then we get a huge like 50% retracement. Down to like here. And then we get some kind of move of like boom, boom, in the future days. So just nothing. I'm gonna stay here all night and take up your guys' time. Guessing where price is gonna go tomorrow. I'll just show you what I see. So I just see as a downside target, I like all these lows down here for obvious reasons, right? LRLR, nice. I always tell you guys to attack the smooth side of the knife, not the serrated side. So, and then so we'll have to see. We'll probably put in another 4 hour FVG here, as well as CPI or FOMC could just bring us down to something like this. Granted, we could go up and take a high again. So this could adjust, but look where 50% sits. Kind of with this 4 hour breaker ish area, 4 hour order block, kind of like lines up down here, right? You would get a 50% a retap of the 4 hour order of the 4 hour order block, and then it's like, oh, everyone's bearish, and then FOMC comes, and then we go up higher. So to be honest, this would be more of what I'm thinking for tomorrow. But like I said, we'll play it as we go and see what the market wants to give us. But that's all I really see for that. Like I said, and remember the daily. Let's see what the daily OB is. So the open of the first daily OB is going to be down here. Let's see what I just want to see where that lines up on the 4 hour, right? Look at that. Lines up right around that 50% mark, a little lower than 50%, right? But you see down here, but it would also put us into at least digging into the wicks of both those daily order blocks. So this will be a tough area to break, no matter what. Just a lot of higher time frame PD arrays sitting here that can send price right back up. So if we start really like displacing through fast here, then these lows will be obvious. But if not, look for some kind of. I'm looking for some move down to then push price back up higher. So now that I see that, if we look at the hourly, we have 50%, right? 50% sits here. You guys notice the thing here. Everything revolves around 50%, right? So we have, what do you see here? 1 hour order block took these lows, hit this order block. This order block is now your prop block, right? What else do you see? Line, you have 4 hour FEG, 4 hour order block, daily order block, all that stuff sitting here. We can come down. We would also rebalance the 1 hour order block, and then we could hit 52 and push higher. So the more I'm looking at this, the more I think that's would be my like gun in my head prediction for data tomorrow. But like I said, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what tomorrow gives us. So with that, I mean, really today, if you guys really want to break down today, I'll just show you real quick. I know a lot of people have been asking me about order blocks, how to use them, to see reversals and all that good stuff. If you look at today, you see right here, right? You got order block, order block. What are these order blocks? They're down candles that then we close. It's a down candle and an uptrend that then gets closed back above by a green candle. Look, price comes back down, taps it, comes back down here. Order block, close it. This candle closes above. Order block retest higher. No retest on this order block, and then you see this is kind of like I'll just we all these are order blocks when these close over, but the big ones here, and then obviously we're coming into Asia time, and nobody cares about trading Asia. Well, I guess some of you do. Some of you guys are crazy and love to trade Asia, but not me too much. But so that was just I mean that was the best way to enter today. I mean there's a couple of 5-minute FVGs in here, but the 5-minute order blocks really drove price and kept us pushing higher. If you guys remember, last night I said we would watch this hourly BPR, right? Remember, price would not let this up today, and then we get to close above. We did close back below a little bit, came down, tested the order block this morning. But you see, I'll show you here what happened here. I think you guys can already see what happened here. But notice this bullish hourly never gave up. And then if we look down here, so we see FEG, the 1 hour FEG holds, 15-minute chart, and then what do you see? FEG sitting here, lower FEG in the leg, because why is this one more important? It's it's at 50% of the leg. We wick 50%, boom, up higher, and off we go. Once we close above, it almost tells you price is going to continue higher. And then where's our next targets? Of course, back up all-time highs and Monday's highs, right? So with that, hope you guys had a fantastic day tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be absolutely insane, and we'll see you guys there.